Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the speakers, unlatch the stand on the base of the monitor. Pry the back cover off the monitor and slide it off the system. Remove the 6 screws on the I/O cover and lift the cover off the system. Find the system board shield and remove the 4 screws. Lift the shield off the system. Identify the speakers and disconnect the cables. Lift the speakers out of the system. To reinstall the speakers, place them back in the system. Reconnect the cables. Place the system board shield back in the system and install the 4 screws. Secure the I/O cover on the system with the 6 screws. Slide the back cover back on the monitor and relatch the monitor stand. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.